Hello and welcome back to your English class. How are you, my lovely students? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at your homes. So, let's start our today's lesson. Students, first of all, read these sentences. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. Yes, you got my point. We have used the words before nouns a and the. What are these? Yes, these are called articles. Very good. So, today our topic is article. We will do chapter number 9 in your grammar book, that is articles. So, let us start. Articles are the words that are used before nouns to point out nouns. A, and the are the articles in the English language. Now, articles, two kinds of articles are there. First one is indefinite and second is definite. Indefinite, general, जो पर्टिकुलर कोई स्पेशल ना हो, जनरल हो. लाइक इफ आई से देयर इज अ बॉय इन द पार्क, दिस मीन्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी बॉय, नॉट अ स्पेशल वन. किसी भी बॉय की बात कर रही हूं मैं. ए एंड एन आर indefinite articles. Okay, and definite means specific, particular, किसी स्पेशल चीज के बारे में बात हो. The is definite article, right? There are two kinds of articles. First one is indefinite and second one is definite. A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article, right? Now we will learn the use of a and an. A and an both are used before singular nouns. We use a and an for a singular person, place, animal or thing. A means one and an also means one. Means ये singular nouns के लिए ही use किए जाते हैं. Now we will learn the use of a. A is used before the nouns that start with consonant sound. Now listen carefully. ए कहाँ यूज होता है? उन वर्ड से पहले, उन नाउन से पहले जो कि एक कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहे हो. रिमेम्बर, मैं साउंड की बात कर रही हूँ, मैं वोवल या कॉन्सोनेंट होने की बात नहीं कर रही. जो वर्ड्स कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट होते हैं, लाइक अ बॉय, अ यूनिकॉर्न. सी यूनिकॉर्न, देयर इज यू, बट आपको किस पे फोकस करना है? साउंड पे. क्या रीड करेंगे हम इसे? यूनिकॉर्न, य साउंड. देयरफॉर वी विल यूज ए हियर, नॉट एन. ओके, अ यूनिकॉर्न, अ कैट, अ स्कूल. These are the words starting with consonant sounds. Therefore, we have used a. So, a is used before singular nouns that start with consonant sound. Right? Now, we will learn the use of an. An is used before the singular nouns that start with vowel sound. And भी हम सिंगुलर नाउन से पहले यूज करते हैं सिंगल पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस और थिंग, राइट? बट जो वर्ड्स हैं वो कौन सी साउंड से स्टार्ट होने चाहिए? वॉवल साउंड्स. ओके, लाइक एन अम्ब्रेला, एन ऑक्टोपस, एन एलिफेंट. Vowel sound is there, therefore we have written an here. Okay, so before consonant sound we write a, and before vowel sound we write an. Students, now look at these words: owner, honest, hour. Students, you can see these words are beginning with H, right? But this H is साइलेंट हियर. जब हम इन वर्ड्स को प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो एच की साउंड नहीं आती है. ओनर, ओनेस्ट, आवर, नहीं आ रही ना एच की साउंड. देयरफॉर वी विल यूज एन हियर. ओके, एन ऑनेस्ट मैन, राइट? I will come within an hour. N, not A, because vowel sound is there. Right? So students, what we have learnt, if a singular noun begins with the consonant sound, we use A before it. And if it begins with vowel sound, we use N before it. So you have to focus only on sound while using A or N. Right? Students, the is definite article, so it is used for specific things. Special definite things के बारे में बात करते हुए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? The. Like, go and give this ice cream to a boy in the park. To a boy, किसी भी boy means any boy. किसी भी boy के बारे में बात हो रही है, कोई particular नहीं है, right? This sentence. Go and give this ice cream to the boy who is wearing red t-shirt. यहाँ स्पेशल बात एक्सप्लेन की गई है कि उस बॉय की जिसने रेड टी शर्ट कैरी की है, रेड टी शर्ट पहनी है. गो एंड गिव द आइसक्रीम टू द बॉय. देयरफॉर द इज यूज्ड हियर बिकॉज द इज यूज्ड फॉर स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स. राइट? We use the when we talk about the same noun second time. Like, there is a boy in this room. The boy is very naughty. Now we are talking about this boy in the second sentence also. So we will use the here. जब हम एक नाउन को सेकेंड टाइम पे भी यूज कर रहे होते हैं, उसी के बारे में बता रहे होते हैं, देन वी यूज द फॉर इट. देयर इज अ बॉय इन दिस रूम. द बॉय इज वेरी नोटी. स्पेशल बॉय, इसी बॉय की बात हो रही है, देयरफॉर द. राइट? वी यूज द when we talk of a thing about which the listener already knows. जिस चीज के बारे में लिसनर पहले से जानता है, अगर हम उसकी बात करते हैं, वहां भी हम क्या यूज करते हैं? द. लाइक, द ड्रेस यू बॉट इज वेरी नाइस. अब यहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर ड्रेस की बात हो रही है कि वो ड्रेस जो तुमने खरीदी है इज वेरी नाइस. देयरफॉर द. राइट? वी यूज द before the names of the things which are only one of their kind, जो कि इस दुनिया में एक ही हों, single. Like the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth. Right? We also use the before the names of rivers, mountains, oceans, famous buildings, books, newspapers, etc. Like the Ganga, the Himalayas, the times of India. Okay? Article the can be used before singular nouns as well as plural nouns. For example, the sun is shining brightly. Sun is singular, the sun. And the red flowers in the garden are very beautiful. Plural. Right? So the can be used before singular nouns as well as plural nouns.
Dear students, now we will do some book work. First of all, we will do the rewind part. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. This is dash picture of Pia and her dog. This is a picture of Pia and her dog. Dash dog is 2 years old. अब उसी dog की बात हो रही है, therefore we will use the dog is 2 years old. It is dash dog. It is a naughty dog. Yesterday it chewed on dash apple. Now vowel sound, therefore an apple. And dash orange. Same vowel sound, therefore an orange. Then it chewed on dash newspaper. Consonant sound, so we will write here A. Now exercise A. Fill in the blanks with a or an correctly. Students, you all know the use of a and an very well. Now we will do this exercise. Number 1. Did you see dash cat just now? Dash cat. Consonant sound is there, therefore we will write a cat. Number 2. He is dash police officer. Police, p, consonant sound, therefore we will write a police officer. I want to ride dash horse. Horse, consonant sound, therefore we will write. Students, now look at the seventh sentence. The train was late. I had to wait for dash hour. Hour. Here is vowel sound, so we will write an hour. Next one. Yesterday my baby brother saw dash aeroplane for the first time. Dash aeroplane. Now what will you write? An aeroplane, because vowel sound is there, right? Now exercise B. Write a or an before these pairs of words. Students, in these blanks you have to fill a or an accordingly. Now this is your homework. Try to do it yourself. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the to complete this conversation. Joseph, are we having dash general knowledge test? Are we having a general knowledge test? Lalit, of course, it is on Thursday. Joseph, let's practice. Name dash important river. Important. Vowel sound, therefore name an important river. Lalit, dash Ganges is dash important river in India. The Ganges is an important river in India. You tell me dash names of two more rivers. You tell me the names of two more rivers. Joseph, dash Jamuna and dash Mahanadi. River's name, therefore we will write the Jamuna and the Mahanadi. Lalit, what about monuments? Do you know where dash Taj Mahal is? Taj Mahal is a famous monument, so we will write the Taj Mahal. Joseph, yes, it is in Agra. Kundan joins Joseph and Lalit in the classroom. Kundan, what are you doing? Are you learning dash poem? Are you learning a poem? क्या आप एक poem learn कर रहे हो? Joseph, no, we have dash general knowledge test. We have a general knowledge test. Kundan, oh, I see. I have dash English test tomorrow. I have an English test tomorrow. Our English teacher, Mr. Andrews, is dash very strict teacher. Is a very strict teacher. Exercise D. Articles have been used incorrectly in some of these sentences. Make the necessary corrections. Students, in these sentences there are some mistakes of articles. Now what will we do? We will rewrite these sentences after doing the corrections, right? Like number 1. Varun is a intelligent boy. A intelligent boy. This is wrong because vowel sound is there. So we will write Varun is an intelligent boy. And the top student. No, and a top student. Father has a appointment. Father has an appointment in an afternoon. No, in the afternoon. Number 3. There was an ambulance in front of the house. Students, in this sentence there is no mistake, so we will rewrite it as it is. Students, in this way you can complete this exercise. Try to do it.